My name is Giselle, and to completely sum me up in 4 words, I love health, fitness, food and travel. My husband and I run our own travel agency called My Travel Guy, but since COVID, our world has been completely turned upside down. So during the pandemic, I started this channel to focus on my other passions and document our lives during these crazy times. Welcome to the G Squad life.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets sing.
How's your first snow experience?
It's so cool. I love it.
Sketchy's first time in the snow. Was it worth the 4 a.m. wake up?
Yes, definitely.
Woohoo!
I strongly suggest this, especially during
First time in the
lockdown.
snow together. Woo!
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
Oh, you did it the wrong way.
Oh no, sorry.
But it's okay.
What was I supposed to do this way?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, go back.
No, it's okay. But I have videos sometimes that are like literally both ways. It's so frustrating. That's why it's so hard to live this life.
To live this life.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Oh no! Are you okay?
Isn't even recording that, did it?
Things they don't tell you when they show pretty pictures of snowmen is it hurts like crazy afterwards. My hands are frozen and our snowman sucked. Good thing we came an hour earlier. Hey guys! So I'm so grateful right now that we woke up at 4 in the morning because the amount of people and cars that are in here, and we're already heading back, so completely worth the 4 a.m.
My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life went in any other way, but it's all side roads to nowhere, and I can't find a map that seemed to mark my place. My heart frigid when it's sit inside that cold air that exists between our lack of shit to say. But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm whacking, got no change. You still sticking here with me, yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you.
Aww.
Thank you.
Sketch, have you cried yet?
Inside.
My first snowman!
It's just very beautiful.
Doing the hike. Well done. Well done.
You laugh at me, but I'm not cold.
Yeah. Lamb chops on sale.
But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm whacking, got no change. You still sticking here with me, yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm broke,